1776, the British Empire kicks the door down in New York City. They turn Manhattan into their fortress, their bank, and their headquarters. Meanwhile, George Washington is stuck out in the woods, freezing, blind, and desperate. He has zero clue what the enemy is planning. So, he sends in a spy, Nathan Hale. Brave guy. Terrible spy. Hale walks into a tavern, starts asking questions, and gets caught immediately. Washington realizes he doesn't need a hero, he needs a system. Enter Major Benjamin Talmadge. He looks at his childhood friends from Long Island and asks himself one question: who is the most boring, unnoticeable person I know? He picks Abraham Woodhull. Code name, Culper Sr. Now, let's be clear, Woodhull is no James Bond. He's a neurotic cabbage farmer who is absolutely terrified of everything. Every trip to the city gave the guy a panic attack. Bandits, guards, checkpoints, eventually, Woodhull cracks. He says, I can't do this alone. I need a partner on the inside. So they built a relay race. Step 1, Robert Townsend. He runs a coffee shop in Manhattan, serving lattes to British generals while writing down their secrets in invisible ink. Step 2, a courier smuggles the letter out to the farm. Step 3, Woodhull buries the message in a box in the middle of a field. Yeah, literally buries it. Step 4, Anna Strong hangs a black petticoat on her laundry line. That's the signal for Caleb Brewster, the craziest whaleboat captain in history, to row right past the Royal Navy and grab the package. But there was someone else. In their code book, number 355 just meant lady. But she wasn't just any lady. She was an agent right inside the British inner circle. Was she a socialite? A maid? Woodhull's girlfriend? To this day, we have no idea who she was, but we know she helped uncover the war's biggest secret. 4 years later, 1780, the Americans are broke. And their greatest general, Benedict Arnold, feels unappreciated. So, he decides to sell out. He offers the British the key to America, West Point, for £20,000. The British send their top spy master, Major John Andre, to close the deal. He's charming, he's arrogant, and he's hiding the treasonous papers inside his boot. But thanks to the spy ring's intel, patrols were on high alert. They stop Andre on the road. They search him. They tell him, take off the boots. Talmadge sees the papers and realizes the handwriting matches his own general. Benedict Arnold is the traitor. Arnold escapes, but the plot is dead. The Culper ring didn't just find a secret, they saved the fortress that kept America alive. But they weren't done. When the British fleet tried to ambush the French allies, Washington used the ring's intel to pull off the ultimate poker bluff, faking an attack on New York. The British panicked, turned their ships around, and the French landed safely. A year later? Game over. Victory at Yorktown. But there were no parades for these guys. To keep them safe, Washington buried their names. It wasn't until the 1930s, 150 years later, that America finally learned who really saved the revolution. This has been Archive America. For more secrets they didn't teach you in high school, hit that subscribe button.